everybody. I wanted to share the word of God already today, very early because I might be busy today also. So I'm hoping to give it to you guys and give you peace today. Peace, everybody. So let me take a look at here and see what we have. For you guys, for you guys, okay? I'm sharing, I like to share how the Lord sent His messages, to me because I'm always willing to read it, early morning, like during my coffee, during my coffee. That's when I like to basically just, get to know God, on how He is, on this day, on the day for me. So uh, the reason why I do this because that way, if a woman, if a woman like me, who came from the province, uh, separated from family, and having that, you know, imagine, if you do not have the Lord with you, you know, and then you are surrounded with enemies, wherever you go. Imagine that if you do not have the Lord with you, what would you learn to do, and to be, when you encounter evil days, or wickedness, things like that, because we do encounter those type of things. But the thing what that we have to do is how do we handle them, how do we handle what we encounter, like that. So I'd like to share, the word of God that I learned also, because the Lord likes to give me His wisdom, the knowledge of the Holy One, and that is His own understanding. And so, when I start sharing the word of God, I just like to share his words, because his words is amazing when you hear it, right? It's amazing when you hear it like that. And I have really noticed ever since my my sharing, not a lot of people I know, especially even those people you know I've encountered or hang out years and years and years, um they seem to separate, and what can I do, right? What can I do, to whatever they had to do,